Hey everyone, we are back with maths and we're doing a bit of multiplication again. We're still on our sevens. In a second we're going to do a little bit of work on the board, but first we're going to go back to our very poorly constructed counting stick. Okay, and we're counting in sevens again. I hope you've been practicing because you might be able to say it along with me this time. We're going to say it from 0 up to 70 and then from 70 down to 0. Okay, and then I might throw out a few 7 times tables that you can try to keep up with, okay, after this. But let's try the counting stick first, okay? If you can say it along with me. And if you're still a bit unsure and still a bit stuck on it, maybe just listen for the first time. Then you can replay this part of the video and try to say it along in time with me. Okay? So here we go. 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And we're going to count down from 70 to 0. 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7, 0. How'd you get on with that? Okay, it's important to keep practicing your sevens. The more practice we do, the better we'll be. Now, on to a little question we have here today. As you can see here, we have a chocolate chip cookie, or my best attempt at drawing a chocolate chip cookie, and we have a question. How many chocolate chips would 4 cookies have? Okay, let's count out how many one has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chocolate chips. That's convenient because we're doing our sevens. That's funny the way that worked out. So we need to work out how many chocolate chips would 4 cookies have. So what's a strategy there? We've talked about this since September now. There's about 3 different strategies that we use to figure out things like this. I'm going to give you a few seconds now to think. Maybe press pause there and see if you can come up with the different ways of figuring out how many chocolate chips 4 cookies would have. And then I'm going to go through the strategies in a second. Okay, strategy number 1. The quickest strategy, I think. I'm going to say 7 chocolate chips multiplied by 4 cookies equals, let's do my 7, 14, 21, 28. And because I know that multiplication has a commutative property, which means I can swap them around, I could also say that 4 cookies with 7 chocolate chips equals 28 as well. So I could say 7 times 4 equals 28, or I could say 4 times 7 equals 28. That's my first strategy. My second one then, I could count up in sevens, couldn't I? 4 times, let's try it. 7, 14, 21, 28. And I'm going to stop on 28 because that's my 4th time counting. And I get my answer, which is 28. Can you remember the third strategy? So it was the one we do last. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, and of course that gives you 28 as well. Now, as we've discussed, all of these strategies are fine to use. They all get you your right answer in the end, but we can see which one's quicker, can't we? If we can do our multiplication, it saves us a lot of time, especially if you can imagine that we were asked to find 9 cookies. Because then you'd be doing 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 and on and on and on. So always try to multiply first. Okay?